guys, what's up? Namaskar, I am Srinikeet and welcome to KM Parar Vlogs. In today's video, I am finally launching the all-awaited Touring Handlebar Riser Kit for the BS6 Phase 2, Phase 1, BS4 and BS3 TVS Apache 204V. So in today's video, I'll be discussing in detail about all the details of the handlebar setup, what all will you get inside the box when you order the kit from us, how to order the kit from us, and also the pricing of the setup. Also, there are a couple of very important announcements. Please don't skip the announcement part, it is important for all of you guys. Today is Vijayadashmi, so a happy and prosperous Dashera from my side to all the viewers. Let's get started with the handlebar setup. Before talking more about the handlebar setup, I'd like to make an important announcement on this channel today. A few months ago, we launched the Touring Windshield Visor Setup for the BS6 Apache 160 and the 204V. And trust me guys, we got a tremendous amount of response from all of you guys. Thank you so much once again. We were able to ship hundreds of kits across the country. I'm talking from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat all the way to Assam. There are hundreds of happy Apacheans rocking the Touring Visor kit across the country. The windshield was launched under the brand name of Stellar Industries. And today I'd like to make an important announcement regarding the brand. I've made a few internal changes with the brand. One of those changes is the complete renaming of the brand Stellar Industries. Yes, you heard me right. I'm completely changing the name of the brand. So, the accessories brand and the Instagram page will now be renamed as KPH Moto. You heard me right. So from today on, all the motorcycle accessories will fall under the name KPH Moto, including the handlebar riser kit as well. So if someone is trying to sell you a motorcycle accessory under the brand name of Stellar Industries, we are no longer associated with that brand name. Please do not fall for that scam. That's a complete scam. Trust me on that. Now let's get started with the handlebar riser kit. A long time ago, I posted a couple of videos regarding a custom handlebar riser setup on my particular motorcycle, in which I simply drilled a couple of holes on the stock aluminium T of the motorcycle, slapped on a bunch of components on top of it and called it the day. For thousands of kilometers, I did not face any issue. This setup is still pretty solid. But then, this is an aluminium piece, a cast aluminium piece at the end of the day. A really nasty pothole might end up taking all the control from the rider. And also, in order to design and develop a product from the ground up and to launch it in the market, this method simply did not fit into my ethos of making components for the motorcycle. So in order to circumnavigate this point, I simply designed and developed a T of my own. Yes, you heard me right. This is the original aluminium T of the motorcycle, and this component you're seeing here has been designed, developed and tested by me myself. This is a custom steel top T which will be included in the handlebar riser setup. You simply would not need to alter any original components of the motorcycle. Simply pop this out of the bike and install that plate. The most important component in this entire setup is this one. Now this is a completely assembled unit. You will get the same thing inside the box. On top of this plate are mounted a couple of custom CNC Aluminium handlebar risers. Now these handlebar risers are completely custom made. These are not off-the-shelf units. We have designed and developed them in-house. These risers are specifically designed and made for this particular setup itself. After that, you will be getting genuine Bajaj parts. Yes, these are genuine brand new Bajaj handlebar risers from the Dominar 400. The kit does not end up being only this much. No, you'll also be getting a handlebar with the kit itself. This is the BS6 Xpulse OBD2 handlebar. Now if you have been following me from a long time, you know that I have tested multiple different handlebars from different motorcycles on my Apache 204V, and only after such extensive testing, I have come up to this combination. Now all of these parts come together to form the perfect geometry for this handlebar riser setup. Now the geometry of this handlebar riser setup is such that it does not compromise too much of the handling and the feel and feedback and the character of the Apache 204V. Now let me hop onto the motorcycle and show you the amount of increase in the height compared to the stock clip-on handlebar. Now as you can see, I am sitting on the motorcycle with the raised handlebar. My height is 5'8" by the way. I am an average sized guy. Now the stock clip-on handlebar setup came up to here. And this is the difference in the handlebar setup. Now this setup has been made specifically keeping in mind the character, the handling of the motorcycle, because of which you will see that me being of this height, 5'8", I am not sitting literally perpendicular to the ground. It is not like this, Royal Enfield type setup. This handlebar height is the perfect compromise between a completely outright handlebar setup like this and the original clip-on, the sporty original clip-on setup, which is placed slightly below. The height difference between the stock clip-on and this handlebar setup is around 2.5 inches. Along with the kit, you'll also be getting these fasteners, which will be helpful for installation of these bar and brakes. BS3 and 4 had different ones. Now on top of it, you'll have to replace the stock clutch cable and the stock throttle cable of the motorcycle. Coming up on the screen are the part numbers of these components as well. Now the most awaited part, which is the pricing of this entire setup. The KPH MOTO Touring Handlebar Riser Kit for the Apache 204V, all the versions from the BS6 OBD2 all the way up to the BS3, the handlebar and this complete assembly will cost you just 3,500 rupees including shipping. Yes, you heard me right. This price is including shipping. Trust me on this project wasn't easy. A lot of R&D, extensive testing, and also very long production process, manufacturing process has went into curating this handlebar setup for the Apache 200 specifically. Now let's talk about how to order this setup from us. Well, the previous Instagram page, which was previously called as the Stellar Industries, has simply been renamed as KPH MOTO. So simply go onto the page. The link is in the pinned comment in the comment section down below. DM us your requirements and all the details and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So let's end this video right here. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel right away. A lot more touring related motorcycle mods are coming up on the channel very soon. This is just the start of it. Trust me on this. I'll see you next time. Take care, guys.